Ciao San Sing Sang, ciao San Daday. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, sir. I want to introduce myself. My name is Dede Suhana. My age 46 years old. I'm married. I have two children, one 28 years old and one 25 years old. My education high school. My experience in Singapore 2 years. Job cooking. My experience in Hong Kong 10 years. Job take care elderly, take care Ahma. I go back to Indonesia 2021 because my grandma passed away. Give me job Sing Sang, Daday, mom, sir. I want to earn money for my family and for my kids and for my future. Thank you, Sing Sang, Daday, mom, sir. Bye-bye.